Welcome back to the channel. In this short video, we'll have a look at the best Vodafone broadband deals currently available. We publish these videos on a weekly basis, so don't forget to like or subscribe if you find this content useful. Let's take a look at the best Vodafone broadband deals currently available. A link to these packages can be found in the description and comments section of this video. These deals are available for a short period, but by using the link below, you can view the latest Vodafone broadband deals. Vodafone have a range of broadband packages with speeds ranging from 73 to 900 megabits per second. Their broadband packages are extremely competitively priced. These are the best deals available this week. For small households of 1 to 3 people, Vodafone's 73 megabits per second package, at £27 per month will be the best fit. For larger households, you have the option of their 100 megabits per second or 200 megabits per second package. The 200 megabits per second package is this week's most competitively priced package, and at £30 per month is only £1 more than the 100 megabits per second package. 200 megabits per second will comfortably support a household of up to 7 moderate users. For larger households, Vodafone's 500 megabits per second package at £33 per month is the best option, and will support households of 10 or more moderate to heavy users. If you're an existing Vodafone mobile customer, you can get an additional £3 per month off these prices. These packages are all on a 24-month contract, and come with free setup. Vodafone Broadband uses a combination of the Openreach network and CityFibre's fiber network. Installation time will vary depending on which network is available at your property. If you already have a BT phone line or an Openreach socket in your home, the activation will be around 2 to 3 weeks. There is a link to these packages in the description below. You have the option of adding an Apple TV subscription during the checkout process. If you would prefer Sky TV, let me show you how to get Sky TV with Vodafone Broadband. If you want to switch to Vodafone Broadband but want access to Sky TV channels, then Sky Stream is the solution. There is a link in the comments and description section of this video to Sky Stream. Sky Stream is a streaming TV box that is also referred to as a Sky Stream puck. It offers Sky TV and other entertainment content over Wi-Fi without the need for a satellite dish. You can use the Sky Stream box with Vodafone Broadband. It requires a minimum broadband speed of 25 megabits per second. The small TV box simply plugs into a free HDMI port at the back of your television. Sky Stream usually costs £26 per month but is currently on offer for £19 per month if you use the link in the description of this video. It comes with a Netflix subscription and the Sky Entertainment package, which includes around 150 channels and over 30,000 shows. You have the option of a rolling monthly or an 18-month contract. You can customize your package by adding other Sky Entertainment, kids and sports channels during the checkout process. By moving to Sky Stream, you can cancel or transfer your existing Netflix subscription so that it's included in the £19 Sky Stream subscription. Sky will send you instructions on how to do this. I have included a link to Sky Stream in the description below. That brings us to the end of this short video. I'd like to thank you for viewing, and I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with these weekly videos. Once again, thank you for tuning into the channel, and hope to see you back on the next video. Thank you for viewing.